In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and animate noise in Nuke. We'll start right in the node graph. To create the effect, add a noise node. The fastest way is to press the tab key and start typing noise, then hit enter. This gives you a procedural texture that's great for film grain, grunge, or atmospheric elements, and it doesn't rely on any external files. Next, connect your footage. If you've already got a read node, simply attach its output to the noise node's input so your image flows through the graph. You can use any image here. This just anchors the noise in your comp so you can see how it interacts with your actual shot. If your node tree is more complex, make sure the noise sits where you want it to influence the image, such as before color work or after a merge, depending on your creative intent. Now, let's shape the texture. Adjust the scale control to set the size of the pattern. Smaller scale values give you tight, fine grain that feels subtle and cinematic. Larger values make the pattern chunkier and more blotchy, which is useful for clouds, dirty surfaces, or stylized movement. Think of scale as your detail dial. The lower it goes, the finer and more detailed the noise appears. After that, tweak the amplitude. This is the intensity or contrast of the noise. Low amplitude keeps the effect gentle and realistic, especially for grain. Higher amplitude makes the pattern punchy and more graphic. A good approach is to start low, then nudge it up until the noise is visible but not distracting, especially if you're matching existing texture in a shot. To bring the noise to life, animate it with time. Increasing the time knob makes the pattern evolve frame by frame. A slow change gives a natural drift, perfect for subtle film grain or mist. Faster changes feel energetic and can sell electrical, static, or abstract motion. If you're matching a specific frame rate or rhythm, scrub the timeline and adjust time until the movement feels right. If you only want noise in certain areas, add a mask. Connect a mask input so the noise affects just the regions you define, like a roto shape or luminance key. Softening the mask edges with a blur can help the effect blend more naturally. Finally, preview your result in the viewer. Select the noise node and press 1 to pipe it to the viewer. Scrub through a few seconds to confirm the scale, amplitude, and timing feel cohesive with your footage. Adjust as needed until it looks seamless.